Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money using a Skrill on your PC step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to skrill.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select Transfer Money. Now enter the amount you want to send, choose your sending country and currency, and select the receiving country and currency. Now, in the Pay With section, click to select your payment method. You'll see two options, debit card or credit card. Click on the one you prefer. Then click Get Started or Continue to proceed. If you're not already logged in, Skrill will prompt you to log in first. After that, you'll be taken to the next screen where you need to enter your card details. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction by clicking Send Money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.